Hello, my dear students. Today I have brought a very important topic for you, which is also very interesting, and that is creative writing skills. I'm going to teach you some really very simple tricks. These tricks can be used by anybody, whether you are a grown up and a student or you are a school going child. My first suggestion is read everything you can find. Read, and read a lot. Read the signboards when you travel, and also read newspapers, kids' magazines, storybooks, and while you're reading, pay attention to the words being used by the writer. They use different characters, plots, conflicts. If you come across a word you don't understand, use a dictionary to find these meanings. My dear students, reading book is very important to improve your reading skills, and books are always your friends. Now I am going to discuss with you the second step. Now, the second step is observe carefully. Observe everyday things and actions. The world around you is full of interesting things and events. When you go for a walk, ask yourself radius questions such as what is that person doing? What is that person looking at? You should observe their emotions carefully. Are they angry, stressed, happy, joyous? Dear students, as you are observing things around you, make a note of something that is happening around you, which you like. It might be a TV show, video game. Write about everything you see, hear, and smell, or even you feel. You will be surprised at the amazing ideas that comes into your mind, and you can use them creatively in your writing. Okay, prep class. So, let's do something creative and very interesting. Today we are going to do creative writing, and the topic is my mother. Close your eyes quickly and think about your mother. Okay, now open your eyes. Tell me the name of your mother. Hurry up quickly. Okay, your mother name is Nadia? Okay, your mother name is Fatima? Okay, I will write Fatima on the board. Fatima. Acha ji. Okay, fine. Your mother name is Naila. Naila. Fine. Tell me the name of your mother.
My mother name is Fatima.
Fatima, done. These are the spellings of Fatima. Okay, fine. Now you tell me the name of your mother.
My mother name is Saba.
Okay, Saba. Okay, prep class. Now tell me whose mother is a beautiful lady.
My mother is a beautiful lady.
And?
She is very nice.
Okay, whose mother is beautiful?
My mother is very beautiful.
Okay, so I will write there nice lady, beautiful women. Okay, prep class, tell me what your mother is fond of.
My mother is fond of
Shopping, reading, writing, cooking.
Baking.
Baking. Oh, your mother is fond of baking?
Baking.
Okay, fine. Okay, whose mother is fond of shopping?
My mother is fond of shopping.
Oh, shopping and cooking. Okay, tell me what your mother likes to eat.
My mother likes to eat pizza.
Pizza. Oh my god. And whose mother likes to eat rice or a chicken or fruits or vegetables? Fruits, vegetables, rice, pizza. Okay. Okay, tell me, prep class, what is the hobby of your mother? I will tell you the options. Baking, cooking, painting, reading, writing, singing. Tell me, what is the hobby of your mother?
My mom likes to sing.
Okay, the hobby of your mother is singing.
Yes.
Okay, so prep class, let's come to the writing, and I'm going to use this word bank. I'm going to write few of the sentences about my mother. So the first one is my. When you start the sentence, the first letter should be capital. Okay, my one finger gap should be there. My mother name is Saba. First, write the name of your mother, put full stop at the end of the sentence. Number 2 is she is a nice lady. Put full stop. Number 3, she likes to eat fruits. Your mother likes to eat fruits? Now we are writing she is fond of cooking. Your mother is cooking something for you at home?
Yes.
Every day she is cooking something for you. She is fond of cooking. And the last sentence is, who loves your mother?
I love my mother.
Everyone. I love my mother. Now, in the same way, you can write few of the sentences about your father. Okay, fine. So prep class, take a rough notebook and pencil and try to write few of the sentences about your mother and father. Okay? Allah Hafiz.